Environmental legislation in India. What is environmental legislation? It means a plan of action adopted by the government rationalizing the course of action. The environmental legislation try to enact all the laws of environment in a justifiable manner. The environmental legislation, although varies from country or continent, focus on a common goal of secure and sustainable living at Earth. Objectives of environmental policy. This takes its origin from National Environmental Policy Act of US on January 1st, 1970. A policy being framed which will encourage productive and enjoyable harmony between man and his environment. To promote efforts which will prevent or eliminate damage to the environment and biosphere and stimulate the health and welfare of man. To enrich the understanding of the ecological systems and natural resources important to the nation. Environmental policy in India. National Council for Environmental Policy and Planning was set up in 1972, which was later evolved in Ministry of Environment and Forest in 1985. MOEF and the Pollution Control Boards together form the regulatory and administrative core of the sector. The policy statement for abatement of pollution and the National Conservation Strategy and policy statement on environment and development were brought out by the MOEF in 1992. The Environmental Action Program was formulated in 1993 with the objective of improving environmental services and integrating environmental considerations into development programs. National Environment Policy 2006. In the first initiative in strategy formulation for environmental protection in a comprehensive manner, it undertakes a diagnosis of causative factors of land degradation with a view of flagging the remedial measures required in this direction. It recognizes that the relevant fiscal, traffic, tariffs, and sectoral policies need to take explicit account of their unintentional impacts on land degradation. Constitutional provisions and environment. Article 21. Right to pollution free environment. Article 48A. The state shall endeavour to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country. Article 51A. Duty of every citizen of India to protect and improve the natural environment, including forest, lake, rivers, and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. Environmental legislations India. General, forest and wildlife, water, air. General. There are 5 laws. First one is in 1986, the Environmental Protection Act. It authorized the central government to protect and improve environmental quality, control and reduce pollution from all sources and prohibit or restrict the setting and or operation of any industrial facility on environmental ground. Next, in 1989, the objective of hazardous waste management and handling rules is to control the generation, collection, treatment, import, storage, and handling of hazardous waste. In 1998, the Biomedical Waste Management Handling Rules is a legal binding of the healthcare institutions to streamline the process of proper handling of hospital waste such as segregation, disposal, collection, and treatment. In 2000, the Municipal Solid Waste Rules applying to every municipal authority responsible for the collection, segregation, storage, transportation, processing, and disposal of municipal solid waste. In 2002, the Noise Pollution Rules lay down such terms and conditions as are necessary to reduce noise pollution, permit use of loudspeakers or public address systems during night hours between 10 p.m. to 12 at midnight on or during any cultural or religious festive occasions. In forest and wildlife, In 1972, the Indian Forest Amendment 1984 is one of the many survival colonial statutes. It was enacted to consolidate the law related to forest, the transist of forest produce, and the duty leviable on timber and other forest produce. In 1972, the Wildlife Protection Act provides for the protection of birds and animal and all matter that are connected to it, whether it be their habitat or the water hole to forests that sustain them. In 1980, the Forest Act rules 1981 provides for the protection of and the conservation of the forest. In 2002, the Biological Diversity Act is an act to provide for the conservation of biological diversity, sustainable use of its components, and fair and equate sharing of the benefits arising out of the biological resources and knowledge associated with it. In water, in 1974, the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act establishes an institutional structure for preventing and abating water pollution. It establishes standards for water quality and effluent. Polluting industries must seek permission to discharge waste into effluent bodies. The CPCB was constituted under this act. In 1977, the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution (SIS) Act provides for the levy and collection of cess or fees on water-consuming industries and local authorities. In 1978, the Water Prevention Control of Pollution (SIS) rules contains the standard definitions and indicate the kind of and location of meters that every consumer of water is required to affix. In 1991, the Coastal Regulation Zone Notifications puts regulations on various activities, includes construction are regulated. It gives some protection to backwaters and estuaries. In air, in 1982, the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Rules defines the procedures of meeting the boards that the power entrusts to them. In 1982, the Atomic Energy Act deals with the radioactive waste. In 1987, the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Amendment Act empowers the central and state pollution control boards to meet with gave emergencies of air pollution. In 1988, the Motor Vehicle Act states that all hazardous waste to be properly packaged, labeled, and transported. Thank you.